let's move on to the next topic. So this is how to make $500,000 per year as a Lyft driver.
Wow.
These are the types of secrets that you will hear us talk about at rideshareuniversity.org. And again, when you sign up with our link below and code, you get $10 for signing up. So,
yeah.
Are you listening?
Yes, I am. You'll get $10 for signing up for Rideshare University.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what we're looking at today. $500, guys, or $500,000 a year to be a Lyft driver. Look at this. Okay. You want to read this?
Yeah. By the way, you guys should join this Facebook group if you're an Uber or Lyft driver.
Yeah. They got a lot to do.
Yeah.
You give them homework.
Yeah, you guys have to do all these things. So, anyways.
They're like, I came to a live stream, but I got to do like 30 things. This stuff's optional, guys. Okay, watching is free.
Yeah. So, Cosmin, oh my gosh, I can't pronounce this name.
Cosmin Michele.
Yeah. So they said the Debbie Downers on here that didn't believe my $70 per hour average will flip when they see the $127 per hour average from Saturday.
So guys, this guy, really quickly, he averages $127 an hour. So if you drive 84 hours a week, which is the max you can do, for 52 weeks a year.
Yeah, that's 12 hours a day, every day.
Yep, and that's what Ronnie SPE TV does, right?
Yeah.
And that other guy from Chicago, too. So if you do that 84 hours a day, 52 weeks a year, what do you get? Bum-ba-da-bum.
Wow.
Yeah, $554,000 a year. So this is how to do it, guys. You gotta be like Cosmin Michele, right?
Okay, I will say, though, like, just because this is extremely unrealistic, this was on October 30th. That was, what day was that?
Oh, that was the date. That was
but
Sunday.
he did this on Saturday. This is a Saturday of Halloween weekend, which is going to be really busy because everyone's going to parties and stuff.
Surge rides, surge pricing, yeah.
Yeah, because like Halloween weekend on a Saturday.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that's why he made so much money.
Yeah, so you would have to basically, do this every hour of the day, 7 days a week, every day of the year, which doesn't sound too realistic to me.
Yeah, this is in Arizona, right?
Nope, California. So let's look at a strategy, right? So in $600 in about 5 hours. That's good. That's really good.
Yeah, that's over. Yeah. Wow.
So this guy, I do believe he's doing either Uber Black or Uber XL.
Okay.
So I think what he does is he has a car that qualifies for Uber XL, maybe like an old Escalade or something, or a new one. I don't know, but
yeah.
If you think of it this way, if you go out and get it like a 2015 Escalade, you can you can buy one of those things used for probably what, 30,000-40,000.
Yeah. Wait, do Escalades take premium gas or regular?
I don't know. Should we look that up?
Yeah, because paying for premium gas kind of starts to add up.
Do Cadillacs take premium gas? Nope.
Oh, that's nice.
Guys, a Cadillac Escalade might be the best car.
Yeah, because it's an XL and an Uber Black, and you don't have to pay extra on premium gas.
Yeah, for real. So let's look up Cadillac Escalade. I mean, what if you get like a 2015? A black one of these ones.
Yeah, those still look really nice.
Yeah. And it can even drive in the snow. I mean, this is kind of sick. Yeah, that's nice. I wonder how much
the leather seats.
Yeah. So, Yeah, if you can buy one of these, again, I don't know how much they cost, but go on Facebook, go on Craigslist, buy a used one, and you can, make maybe $500,000 a year. And you got a $50 tip as well on top of that. So you made almost, $700. Okay. But guys, keep in mind that's before expenses. All right, let's read the chat here.
Okay. What's the chat say? Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in the chat.
Yeah.
I can't even read it all.
Yeah, the chat's kind of going crazy. What?
These comments are funny.
Anyways, y'all have fun. Oh, I guess he's leaving.